click the subscribe button so whenever any video is dropped, you can be notified. So coming down to our daily time frame, which we have to do our top down analysis. That is the very first thing you have to do before taking any trade. So from the daily time frame, we notice how bearish BTC has been. So I would say from here, the market has been playing around this place, this area. If you notice from this down to this area, market has been playing around this area. So we have our order block from there, and then this is what we have for now. And so then we have to go to our 4 hours time frame to see how the market is reacting from there. So what do we notice? The area is still invalid. Still invalid. Let's go to where we took the order block from, where we drew the order block from. So make some adjustments so that it will be more proper. If you notice, this area has been mitigated, this area has been mitigated, it has been taken, and then this area has been taken. So we are left with this area. So we just have to adjust it a bit, and then this is what we have. So this is the other block we have the market is retesting from. So you can see market rejected from there. So currently BTC is at this point. So we'll go to our 2 hours time frame. So we notice from our 2 hours time frame, BTC is kind of giving this um bullish move, like it wants to move. Although I'm on this buy already, I'm on this buy, so I'll be telling you how I got into this buy. So currently, BTC is at this point. You can't obviously take a trade like this. So we'll go to our 1 hour time frame. You notice that this was our last order block to the downside. If you have been following my strategy, you know that I always keep it simple. So this is my order block to the downside, and obviously if the market breaks here, we know for sure is a change of character. Okay, it's a change of character. And sometimes the market can also break here and just come to this side and retest from this side, giving it a sell, making here to be um an inducement. Remember from our last video how I taught inducement. For those that have been following this channel, you know what inducement means. So this should be inducement, but for now we just follow the trend where market is retesting from this other block. So we'll take this out, likewise taking this out for now. So currently the market is at this position, so we have to go to our 30 minutes time frame. So from our 30 minutes time frame, what do we observe? Market is still at this position. All right, stay at this position. Then we go to our execution time frame, which is our 15 minutes time frame. So from our 15 minutes time frame, what do we notice? The market is kind of a buy, giving a buy scenario, because of course from this other block, what we should be anticipating for it's a buy, a buy. So I was not able to find any setup in 15 minutes, so I had to go to 5 minutes time frame. I have to go to 5 minutes time frame, and then in my 5 minutes time frame, I found out that please listen and watch carefully. I found out that there was an order block. Remember, always wait for the setup to show before placing any position. So there was an order block here. Sorry, break of structure here to the upside, and then we got a retracement, which is our order block to this side. Okay, after this, and then we got a push to the upside. So from there, I took my buy from this side. Currently, I'm on a buy from this side, putting my stop loss at this, putting my stop loss here, and my take profit at this junction. Because obviously, I just felt the market would come to this point, or this point rather, or this point, but making it out of fear. For some people that might have fear or doubt on their trades, I'll prefer to put it here for me. But for those of them having doubts, they can just put their take profit at this place. Okay, and put your take profit at this place. Now putting our take profit at this place. Currently, I'm on a buy already. So I had to allow the chart to run for like 3 days. Yeah, I think 3 days or 2 days for us to get to this position. So this was where I initially took buy. So this is it. Currently we are this way. We got a another BOS break of structure to the upside after market came down here. So where I took my buy, the position I took my buy, although it hasn't gotten to my stop loss. Stop loss was around this area. So it took a dim here and then went up, creating another BOS, and went down to close this other block. So after taking this other block, we got for the 15 minutes we got a push to the upside, touching level, at this level. Yeah, but we are good reasons that yes, this should be a buy because currently you can see from the market our confluences are complete. Our confluences are complete. So from this position we can see that this other block got got I mean an AVG. This other block got an AVG, got an AVG, and Sorry, it seems the network is breaking. Alright, it's back. And then we got liquidity this side. You can put it like this, or you can put it like this. This is our liquidity. Okay. This should be an inducement. So from our previous videos, you will know that this should be an inducement, not just an ordinary liquidity. Should be an inducement because we got a push to the upside, and then got a push to the upside, and then we got him here before this push. Currently the market is coming towards this direction. So this is our inducement. Remember what I said about inducement, guys? If the market breaks another block and come down to an area, but keeping the other block safe without tapping into any other block and giving another push to the upside or downside, a bearish scenario or bullish scenario, you know that it's an inducement. But if it's just an ordinary liquidity, it should be around this area. This should be our liquidity, this candlestick here, our liquidity before this massive push to the upside. So this is our inducement. So right now we should be anticipating for a buy, which is a long position from this region. Sorry, from this region. Stop loss should be around this level, and our take profit should be this level. So guys, this is what we have for BTC. This is what we have for BTC. Currently BTC is still live. Yeah. So this is what we have for BTC. Take note, guys. Take note. So I'll be taking another position from here. Taking another position from here to this area. I love putting my um I love putting my take profit always under a another other block here. This is why I love putting my profit level this level at this level. I love putting my take profits at that level. Reason being that sometimes the market, yes, it might go up and continue the buy, but then markets sometimes always expect an order block. This right here is another block, so market might expect another block, and expecting that other block, it might just tap in like the tip of this other block, which is definitely this place where my TP is, or currently this place, or this side, this place, then start retracing down. So I prefer keeping it more secured by doing it like this, keeping it very, very simple. Very simple. So I'll be taking a buy from this position. So if you are currently seeing this market and you want to take gold, BTC rather, make sure you take it like this. So guys, come to the end of the channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, so whenever a video is dropped, you'll be notified.